This is your November 2025 A's Stadium construction update. Back on the roof of the Oyo parking garage. It's Sunday, so there's nobody working today. It's like there's been a lot of progress since I was up here last. So as a recap, the Tropicana Hotel, it closed on 4/2 of 24. The implosion was 10/9/24. I'll link a video at the end of this showing one of my implosion videos. The completion date is January 28. So this stadium should be good for the 2028 season. There's a new rendering came out. It's of this whole area. It's kind of from the view over there by the Statue of Liberty looking back this way. I'm working on increasing my editing skills, so hopefully you're seeing an image of that now. There are also some earlier renderings showing just the stadium I'll throw up. Stadium, of course, is in this back corner. And that rendering shows 2 hotel towers, restaurants, shopping areas. Check out those 2 poles over there. Those were the supports for a second observation wheel that was going to be built, and then the project stopped. I'll maybe do a video of that. I've got some footage from over there from a while ago. I'm back up on the roof of the Oyo parking garage. It is Wednesday. They're working today. So the outfield is facing that direction, so you'll have a view of the strip. And then the outfield wall is glass. It's called a cable net glass. I'll throw up one of the renderings that shows it. Cable net glass window. Has metal cables in it to support the weight, I'm assuming. And what I read was when this one is completed, it will be the largest cable net glass window on the planet. I think that's the surface, going to be the surface of the field, and all this stuff we're looking at is underground, I believe. The entire site here is 36 acres, and the stadium, I read 9 acres, I also read 12 acres for its footprint, and the stadium's capacity is supposed to be 33,000. Statue of Liberty. Zoom out.